I keep quiet on purpose. So if you not tell ECB thank you, you not go kill the music, Abi. You not go kill the music.
You not go kill the music. You not go keep the music.
One day we go use your bam.
We all keep quiet. We all keep quiet.
We
We all keep quiet. Anyway, those of them where they call, where not they connect. I beg, make not vex. Say the phone lines, they get some kind rohi, and I make and they work on now. Rohi.
What's in
Rohi. No.
Rohi. You don't know what they call
I don't know they call
Rohi.
Rohi. You see, let me explain what Rohi is. You see, when a carnivalious salago in the Vlugado, a carnivalious salago in the Gluvado.
Okay.
If it go like that, then you go know say na Rohi.
Rohi.
Anyway, when I come back, we been argue when would they break? When they would do watch everything.
No, bring that thing. Come, Nedu. You know, say.
See,
I don't agree.
See.
Easy to talk, Nedu.
No.
Your own wahala, everything. You get wahala inside this abortion.
No, not be wahala. My own issue na the abortion. When make us they argue, is it with Siam now? Me, of course, we hear everything we discuss. When they talk, me I call the talk say okay. For me, I for prefer. The first time when the girl do abortion, I for prefer say he born the pikin.
So you tell me say now, if he born the pikin, so it not could be the same thing as to do abortion.
No, if he born the pikin, if he born the first one, sense go enter her body.
Who tell you say until you born one pikin, say pikin person go get sense. Women when they born pikin inside secondary school, inside university, inside
sense they enter some sense they enter. See, if you don't
but
see,
then even if sense go enter her body, if she can't carry body pikin like that, would they not plan for her? Now you go see gas.
Yes.
You know see girls where they born 3 children for 3 different men.
Okay.
And yet upon you know they get sense. They go.
Wait now. I beg the whole people for inside the world. Will they ask una now? Would they una know what we they discuss? But I can't they argue something now. Where come make us enter this one now? Make I ask una. If girl carry belle when she never marry, he carry belle. Now make she abortion the pikin or make she born am. Which one they make sense pass? For this girl case now. Because for me, I didn't
say make he born the pikin. How many pikin he go they born? So by then they don't born 9.
I did tell you. Okay, easy bit. Hear me out for this one now. I didn't be the girl carry the belly now. I should not carry the belly for the 9th time now. I didn't be the first time I carry the belly.
She born now.
She born now.
If I not reach 9.
If I not reach 9.
But if I reach 3.
See. If I not reach see.
See, but see, do see me. Because I know of a friend who be like say she can't shy get belly like that. So at the end of the day, she can't born now. But when she born now, but trust me, they do her life, not the way they before. The thing devastates her life from up to down. She don't fit go school. She don't fit do anything
because your life don't stop. You dey look after
the kid. So you prefer that she do the abortion?
No, but at least me I not go advise me to do abortion.
Check am from both sides.
I don't go advise me to do abortion. I don't go advise me to do abortion. The only thing when me go talk is if you know say you never ready, do either of the two. No even do them at all.
Ma tell you, leave that thing.
We not do them at all.
See, I tell you, me I prefer because if I didn't be the girl, see okay, make I paint this picture now. Imagine say this girl now, she don't do abortion 9 times. The first time when she want to do the abortion, her mama and papa go before. Imagine say they don't tell her say, this one no good though. See sex education no, this one no, that one.
That is the problem. They don't agree talk. Parents they don't agree talk all these things.
Now they talk. Mama and papa of this girl, una get fought for this matter.
Parents they don't talk all these things.
Those of una where they face this thing, where we not know so na they face am. Una get fought for this thing. Children don't know all this thing. They don't begin the wipe. At how many age? Girl don't begin the wipe. Imagine say that girl carry that belly, born the first pikin. She don't know. Say they don't tell her to say, if you carry belly for this my house, now die. But if you carry belly, no problem. We can see. Adibi she born that pikin. The mama and papa go down begin the girl. They will carry the pikin put for house. But the girl go down give herself at least small percentage of sense. That boy go down run. That boy not going to come back again when they do what they do. The belly for not, if there for not be any second belly.
Okay, then at the end of the day, who go want marry pikin or woman we don't get pikin before? We don't
get 2 pikin.
So you prefer when she do abortion?
No, my own opinion is say
where the 2 sides of
you understand?
The story.
Where the 2 sides? Abortion not do. To born the pikin, not an option. So if you know say you never ready to stand any of those crises, don't do at all.
Not be say yes, I agree. If you know say you never ready to stand, or not what of now? Or to now, the girl don't get belly now. What do you okay? See for this will happen when I did my church for Abuja that time. You get one girl will be one journal acquire. I know we call her name. And another girl when he be say been the choir. Everybody know her strong sister. When she hold mic, spirit go to move. People go to fall up for ground. Now this other girl now, when one join the choir, she joined because of me. She liked me that time, you know. I'm cool.
Fine
like
boy,
that.
star boy.
No pimple.
Yeah.
She can't join choir. And she joined choir because of me. Now she joined the choir. Meanwhile, she don't get one pikin, 2 years old child. Everybody for church, everybody for the church, they had until they look that girl. And because of she don't born pikin. They use one kind eye. Now this other
bad eye.
They look the girl. Say this one, he don't they wipe since he don't born pikin. Meanwhile, this other girl, when he be said, then they see him as Christo. Later, she can't break up with the boyfriend where she did dates. Where they be one, where they supposed to. Then date for like 6 years. They can't break up. Now as they can't break up, now me and her can't become close friends. We can't enter matter of dating. We begin date. I don't go like give you for 1 month. Me and this girl begin do boyfriend and girlfriend. Now that inside that 1 month we do boyfriend and girlfriend. Now she tell me say she don't do abortion for that guy 2 times. Now tell me, my brother. Now who only pass? The girl will born her own, or the sister will go carry mic.
They look at some people.
They do abortion no. Who only pass?
They do see. Make I tell you something. Some people
Mommy,
they look and say the one where they fit for that point in their lifetime. Nobody holy pass. So you person go walk for road. You don't know whether I don't know 15 abortion they go. But at that point in time, if you don't look himself, say I no go fit look after this pikin if I born am. Say so he day out of my hand. Make I go do the abortion. Nothing when he fit do. On the other hand, person when get belle go say my family at least they could become me, but they go still manage keep me for house. Look my pikin. So make I yours born this pikin. But you know, say as we they born the pikin, it get some things where go humble you because you know coffee they do like springs chickens. Yeah, springs chicken now whenever enter oil.
They see they groove up and
your
down.
body could yours come down by that time because you don't born one. And
anyway,
person say,
more than no vex.
Please prior say, Nedu better make she born the pikin so that she could cool down Kate sense.
You understand?
Because girl Shakara they finish if she born
if
for
you
her
don't born
papa house.
Good evening,
that's one part.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my sister?
I'm good, and you?
Would they fine? I bet you come out for this matter.
See, about this abortion matter, abortion is not good at all. The truth of the matter is, assuming the girl give birth to the first time,
thank you.
Even if she no get sense, by that she give birth the second time, she go get sense.
She go get sense.
So, you not go reach 10 times.
At all. Now because
at all. Do you understand?
I understand.
Now, she has chosen to give her the first time. Maybe through thick or thin. They manage her. Now she did it the second time. Definitely. She go hear him. She not go near that thing again. Even if she knows, she still not get sense. She still do it the third time. But the truth of the matter is, he not go reach 10 times.
Oh.
So when she has been, now because of the abortion, maybe as in, no, it's better for her to give up to those children. Let her suffer. Let her know that what she's doing is wrong, so that she will not go near it again if she's not ready.
Biola,
Ma,
you don't do abortion before?
I never do.
If you do, you go talk.
Anyway, thank you, Biola. Thank you. From Warri, good evening.
Good evening.
Friday.
Good evening.
Friday on a Thursday.
Chukumat for this matter.
I enjoyed this in our program.
Thank you, my brother. Chukumat for them.
The issue of abortion and non-abortion, first we have to consider the will of God. Abortion is a crime and it's killing. It's a murder. Okay. So we should not think of it. It's not the will of God. And the issue of trying to avoid because of shame.
Yes.
You don't want to avoid. You will make that girl to continue still as my brother is talking. So it is better you keep that girl. You don't know the future of that girl. There are many people to transaction. There are many people today that they make life. But these are children that are supposed to be destroyed. So you don't know the will of God for that child. So don't avoid.
Friday, wait first.
Friday, wait, make I ask you. You don't hear me?
Yeah, they hear you.
You don't give girl belly before when she do abortion?
No, I'm not part of that because I'm
Friday, your voice be like person don't give girl belly before.
No.
Anyway, thank you very much, Friday. Thank you very much. Hello, who's on the line? Good evening. Hello? Edwin from Warri, good evening.
Good evening, my brother. I congratulate you first for this on our program.
Thank you very much, my brother. Thank you.
All right, no wahala. Because this topic today night, we settled some issues when me, my wife, and my wife's sister they argue before now. For sure, abortion first of all, not 0.
1.
Not be waiting the sign.
Okay.
You not get that to be. Abortion not be the issue.
Yes.
Then that speaking when you just say you won't kill the papa.
Yes.
We not just see the letter. We just conclude.
Yes.
We don't find out why that speaking write that letter. Surely that parents them maybe they not handle that speaking.
Yes.
Look at they get their own problem. They get their own issues. For sure, if I happen to be the parents, because like me now, I get 2 girls and a boy.
Yes.
No matter what that speaking do, that letter will come make me.
Keep more eye
down. You understand?
It's find out why my speaking go write that kind of letter. If that means I'm wrong, me, the papa and the
you
mama,
not do well.
they wrong, someone will not do well.
Yes.
So there is no, in any way, when the parents them, will they destroy those children.
Exactly. Thank you very much, Edwin. Thank you.
No
I go Destiny say if na me be the father of the girl, I could still take her as my daughter. Yours that I go carry and go counseling school.
Simple.
Olive say here, na to hand over the girl to police, na in sure pass. Her text message na evidence.
No could take phone call. Kunle Biko, good evening. Hello, Kunle. Kunle, okay.
I hear your voice yours now.
I be hear your voice now.
Good evening.
Good evening. How you doing?
I just find you.
I bet chook mouth for this matter quick.
The one who is about the question is about throw.
Yes, that girl now.
If the girl send message, if you have the papa,
Yes.
I will call the girl and that boyfriend. They will come. All of us go sit down. We will take that dinner together.
Una go chop the food together.
They will chop the food. We are not going to follow them so. They will chop up.
But una go get una go, you know, you go invite them for one small dinner. You go say maybe all of us chop dinner together, but you no go chop the dinner.
Maybe I decide my hand.
Okay.
I know it's the plan. I get my own plan now.
Anyway, thank you very much, Kunle. Thank you very much. Anyway, this matter where we dey talk, just in case you just dey join or in case you don't dey watch Tete, our phone line been get problem. That make us no answer phone calls since. Make una not vex for that matter. We don't dey pack up to come up for inside studio. But basically, what we dey talk now about this text message when say this girl send mistakenly to her papa instead of to send the text message to her boyfriend. Waiting for the text message. The girl talk say, sweetheart, I am not going to do this abortion for you. If I do, it's going to be the number 10 abortion what I don't do for you. No worry. Wetin go happen be say, I go put poisons for my papa and the mama food and they cook now. When they die, me and you go get their property. Yes. Everybody they get the girl, everybody Bimbo say I go disown the girl. It's just say I can't go police station. Yes, everybody go vex. But make I tell you
bottom line.
The bottom line.
Yes.
Mama and papa
need to
get serious work.
Yes. You know, easy to just born 5 children, 6 children. No born picking if you don't know how to put ear and eye for down to look them. It's as simple as that. Nedu and me, we don't talk finish.
We don't discuss this matter finish. Next week, this is matter of abortion or giving belly. We go still chook mouth for inside them. But anyway, for this night, we don't talk and finish. Tomorrow, Pastor Yan go come. We've been do last week and last 2 weeks 10 questions where you need ask before you enter a relationship. Tomorrow we will continue and finish them to make sure say you know the questions where you go need ask before you enter a relationship. Until tomorrow, una good night. Double toilet all of our way call to Easy Beat, our producer Mini March, K Solo, K Mons, everybody. Thank you for those of our way call. Good night. Are you with me?
I am with you.